Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Chevy's 1973 to 1987 C10. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Remove the 3 bolts located on the top and front of your frame rail. Step 3. Our part features perforated plates to fit over the rivets retaining your existing rear cab mount. If you plan to keep your cab mount, cut out the perforated plates located on your center rear frame section. If not, remove your rear cab mount. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, followed by painting the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Slide your center rear frame section onto the frame and tap it into place using a hammer. Use the frame holes to help with the alignment. If you purchased our rear cab mount, you can insert the included bolts into the frame holes to hold the part in place. If not, C-clamp the part into place. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your center rear frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. Step 5. With a socket and wrench, reinstall the 3 bolts on the top and front of your frame rail. If you removed your rear cab mount, you may reinstall it at this time using our installation video on our YouTube channel. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!